Too soon, too far.
Hey guys, today we're going to be installing the Grille Overlay for this 21 F150. It's a brand new product for us. Let's go ahead and get started. With your F150 Grille Overlay, you'll receive a copy of the installation instructions along with some adhesion promoter. You'll also need some masking tape, isopropyl alcohol, and a clean cloth. First, you'll need to perform a dry fit with the center grille piece. Do this by following all the installation instructions in this video without removing the red backing to the tape. This gives you the opportunity to check for a good fit while allowing you to have some practice before the Grille Overlay is permanently on the truck. Note that the top of the section will be indicated by a sticker or with a strip of tape along the top edge, or both. Next, dry fit the top portion of the grille. Although the top and bottom sections look similar, there are distinct differences. Make sure you're attempting to install the appropriate section. Last but not least, dry fit the lower piece of the grille over the remaining chrome. These parts will fit tightly together. Make sure they're not getting caught on body panels or trim edges. It may take some pressure to seat all the way down. Clean the grille with isopropyl alcohol to get rid of any debris or residue. Next, lift the hood and begin applying the adhesion promoter to all areas of the grille where the 3M tape will be touching down. Press down on the area indicated on the stick to puncture the vial inside. On the narrow tape positioned on the top perimeters of the centerpiece, peel back the edges of the red backing to the 3M tape about 2 inches and wrap them around to the front side, securing it in place with masking tape. Peel the backing completely away from the interior portions of your 3M tape. If present, peel back the edges of the protective film across the entirety of the centerpiece so it doesn't get stuck during installation.
Slide the center overlay over the middle section of the grille. Be sure to not let the exposed tape touch down until it's in position. Apply pressure to the entire centerpiece. Once you're happy with its position, begin peeling back the red tabs we taped to the front of the part earlier in the video. Start on either side and work your way across the part. Apply pressure as you go. Repeat this process on the remaining exposed tabs. To prepare for installing the upper and lower pieces, peel back the left and right edges of the protective film on the centerpiece. Now take the top piece of the Grille Overlay and peel back the edges of the red backing, bringing them to the front and securing them in place. Remove the remaining 3M tape backing. Peel back the protective film on the edges near the far corners of the part. Slide the top overlay over the upper section of the grille. We'd recommend lifting the hood of your truck to make this part easier. Once it's in position, begin putting firm pressure across the part to make sure all edges are tucked in and the tape is touching down. Again, peel back the red tabs and apply pressure as you go, as you did with the centerpiece. On the lower section, repeat the process with the masking tape, red backing tabs, protective film, and installation as you did with the other 2 pieces. We want to emphasize the importance of putting pressure on the edges of this piece, making sure the overlay slides completely over the chrome edges of the grille and is not getting hung up anywhere on the body. Now comes the best part, removing the protective film from the upper, center, and lower portions of the grille.